Attention photographers. The deadline for the contest has been extended.
One up 34, be advised, 927 is closing with the suspect and the victim.
Holy crap! Oh god! Run!
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Making this short film was a lot of fun, and I'm gonna show you how we did it. The biggest VFX here was obviously creating the CG siren head. I used Blender for making the character. For the animation, I used a motion capture suit by Rococo, who we collaborated with on this video, and this suit made my life so much easier. If not for motion capture, I would have had to animate the CG characters manually, and it's such a slow process. Now I just put the suit on and act out all the stuff I need. One of the cool things about the smart suit is that it's really easy to set up and it connects to my computer via Wi-Fi. So we could even shoot outdoors. Just put the suit on and do your thing, and then have all of that sweet animation applied to any character. An animation that would have taken me a full day to make now only takes me a few minutes. It's a huge time saver, and as a filmmaker who also does VFX, this is really valuable. Ultimately, it helps me make better stuff, but in lesser time. Thanks once again to Rococo for this amazing collaboration. Make sure to check out their website to learn more about how you can use motion capture in your work. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Let me know if you have ideas for my next video, and if you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!